Good morning, students. I hope you all are well. In a previous section, we discussed about company creation, how to create company in Tally. Today, we are discussing the rest of the first unit, that is, how to select a company, shut company, alter company, and delete a company. These options are there in your company info. We are discussing the same thing now. Here, learning objectives are selecting company, alter company, shut company, delete company, and what is backup and restore company. In this, already you have created a company. In a company info, you are having create company. In a previous class, we discussed that through theoretically as well as practically. Here we are discussing how to select a company. You already created a company. To select that company, what and all are steps? Just click on go to Gateway of Tally. There you press Alt F3. Company info will be displayed. In that you will be having option select company. Else you can press yes also. It will display the list of the companies. Then whichever company you required, you can select from the list. It is a selecting company. Here it will load the company. Next, sometimes user need to change company info. User wants to change the company info. At that time, you can click on alter company. Here only same procedure. You will go to Gateway of Tally. There you will press Alt F3. The company info menu will be displayed. In that, press alter company. Or you can press A. Immediately the company information will be displayed on the screen. Whatever changes you wanted to do, you can make a changes and you have to press. After pressing enter key, it will ask accept. Then press yes. The what changes you have done, that will be corrected into your company information. Shutting a company. Shutting means nothing but here unloading a company. Here select means loading a company. Shutting means unloading a company. Shut means it only unloads the company. It will not remove from the memory. Just temporarily it closes that company. For that, procedures are again same thing. Go to Gateway of Tally. There you press Alt F3 and there will be option like shut company. Select shut company option. Else you can press H also from the keyboard. The company will be closed immediately. Which company is currently open, that company will be closed. It is unloading a company from the screen. It will be there in memory. That is shut company. Next will be deleting company. Here deleting procedure. Same, deleting means it will permanently remove from the memory itself. For that you can press Alt D. But major thing you have to remember here, company can be deleted only in alter mode. First you have to click on Alt F3. Company info will be displayed on the screen. There press alter company or else A. Same alter procedure you have to follow. Then only you will be having displayed the list of the company will be displayed on the screen. In that you select a company which you want to delete from the memory. Then select the company, then press Alt D. It will give message like you want to delete it. Confirm yes or no. Then if you press yes, the company will be removed from the memory. That is deleting a company. These steps you will follow for permanently removing the company from the memory. It is a step. Next. Already in a last previous section we discussed to give a Tally old password for the company. If you want to make changes in a Tally old password, you have to follow these steps. Click on Gateway of Tally, press Alt F3, company info will be displayed, and there click change tally old password. Okay, tally old option. Automatically all the company information will be displayed on the screen. There you just press provide old password. First previous password what you had given, that you have to give. After that you can give new password. Okay, that will be set for the tally old password. Again new password will be confirmed. Then save the end. Okay, this is a changing a tally old password. Next will be backup and restore option. Okay, backup means here when you press backup, the company information you can store it in a different folder. Okay, that will be in data folder. Again you want to change and you can change it to different folder. You can keep the company information there. That will be stored in an encrypted format. No one can access that one. It will be secured and encrypted. Then again if you want the same data, that time you will press restore option. Restore is required, like again backed up that company which one is you encrypted, that will be again it will be displayed on the same folder. Okay, if you restore that company. Okay, like if original company if you are using that it is corrupted, then you can take from that another folders backup from that memory place. For that restore will be used. Okay, these are also very important. 2 marks question they'll ask what is backup and restore. Okay, here important questions are, the first will be like write steps to select, alter, delete company. Any one of these they may ask for an exam for 2 marks, or they may ask for 5 marks, all the 3. And they'll ask write about backup and restore, or what is backup, what is restore. 2 marks questions also will come from this topic. Okay, this complete your first unit. The same procedures I'll show in practically, okay, in another class. This completes your unit 1. Okay, if you have any clarification, any doubts, you can send a message to me. Okay, here one positive thought is there, be the change that you wish to see in the world. Okay, you only the main person, you can do changes if you wish. Okay, so see these recording classes daily basis, read well. Okay, be safe and be happy.